According to the latest information, Typhoon Ragasa may cause severe impacts on the Pearl River Delta region on September 24th. The period from 8 a.m. to 10 o'clock a.m. falls within its influence window, so precautions must indeed be taken. At 4 a.m. on September 24th, Typhoon Ragasa had a wind speed of 55 meters per second and a moving speed of 21 kilometers per hour. Its center was located at 114.50 degrees east longitude and 21.10 degrees north latitude, with a central pressure of 930 hectopascals and a maximum wind force of level 16 near the center. It is expected to move west-northwest at a speed of approximately 20 kilometers per hour and make landfall along the coast from Shenzhen to Zhuwen in Guangdong Province on the 24th as a strong typhoon or super typhoon with wind force of level 14 to 16 and a speed of 45 to 52 meters per second.